Hello everyone, I, Ms. Bhavana Danesh Munod, welcome you all in Agricultural Development Trust, Shardabai Pawar, Mahila Arts, Commerce and Science College, Sharda Nagar, Baramati. Okay. Last period we studied about targets of 12 5-year plan children. So in that it was economic growth, poverty and employment, education, health, infrastructure, environment and sustainability and service delivery. So we studied about infrastructure also, that government had to increase infrastructure by 9%. That means GDP, that is gross domestic production, should be increased by 9%. Then government also planned that rural and urban areas will be connected together. So whatever infrastructure development is required for connectivity regarding rural areas and urban areas, do it any way, possible way. Then the mobile phones range, telephone density and TV density in rural areas, government planned during 12 5-year plan that it should be increased. Then the next point is environment and sustainability. So government planned in environment and sustainability that 1 million hectare every year during the 12 plan period, that it should be covered under green zone, means plant more and more trees. At least 1 million hectares should be in green area. Then the next point is service delivery. Service delivery means what? Banking services. Whom to provide? To household people. Now see, this COVID pandemic period, we all did online transactions only. There was no cash payment. Only some places cash payment is there, but the whole world was doing online transaction. That is planned during 12 5-year plan children. And now we are enjoying that benefit. So during 2012-2017, government planned regarding online transactions, and then banking service sector was more this thing introduced. Major subsidies and welfare related beneficiaries to be shifted to a direct cash transfer by using the Aadhaar platform linked with bank accounts. Means children, your Aadhaar card is linked with bank account, so that government will have, whenever any transactions are done by you, government will have a proof, your record of whole ID. And nowadays children, even the mobile phone number or say mobile is linked with Aadhaar card. That is your mobile phone number. Whatever number you are using, it is compulsory by the government to link it with Aadhaar card. Now come to the next point in the chapter, that is Niti Aayog. Now what is the meaning of Niti Aayog children? So Niti Aayog is National Institution for Transforming India. So, Niti Aayog means it was introduced by the government, but when it was introduced after 12 5-year plan children. So 12 5-year plan ended on 31st March 2017, but it was extended by the government more 6 months. That is till 4th October 2017, last date was there by the government, so that whatever report the ministers has to give, whatever policies the minister has to give, they have to appraise, they have to present in front of the parliament till 4th October 2017. And after this finishing of 12 5-year plan, Niti Aayog was introduced by the government in the year 2015 children. So this Niti Aayog, why it was introduced by the government? So that central and state government will collaborate with each other. Collaborate means what? Working with each other. Why they have to work each other? To formulate for new policies, new innovative ideas and remarkable steps. So Niti Aayog, what it did? It collaborated central and state government. Also it has a positive approach, and it was an innovative and remarkable step to reinforce the principles of federalism and decentralization of power. Now federalism means what children? Introducing new policies, plans, new taxation is there. If government wants to introduce, it will collaborate, means it will take suggestions of central as well as state government. Now during this COVID-19 pandemic period also, you must have seen in news also how the central and state government were connecting with each other, collaborating with each other, discussing, online discussion was there, and according to their views, opinions, government planned out the rules, restrictions for COVID-19 pandemic children. So this is called as collaboration. So this Niti Aayog was introduced for this collaboration between central and state government so that they will function smoothly and there will be economic growth and development of our country. So, resolution of Niti Aayog was sanctioned on 1st January 2015, but its actual plan started after completion of 12 5-year plan. Means Niti Aayog was implemented after 12 5-year plan. Now the next point is think tank function, children. Now what is the meaning of think tank? Think tank means government appoints various experts, that is a group, committee is there, group of experts. So these are specially appointed by the government, whatever in order various problems are in a country, to solve them, to guide them. So this is think tank policy. So government has appointed a various say experts person, say it will be 7 to 8 persons who will deal with whatever problems are there in a country, they will try to solve them. Okay, now for example, you must have watched Kaun Banega Crorepati, children, KBC. So in that KBC round, one for this thing participant, one is an expert round. That means you can take an help of an expert, that is think tank service. Think tank group means an expert will guide you related to the answer. So this is think tank function, government appointed this. So think tank function was for Niti Aayog, a premier policy say. So it concentrated or it aimed to evolve a shared vision of national development with active involvement of states. Means this committee, what it did, it helped Niti Aayog. How it helped, children? So this committee reported regarding how whichever states were there, how they were actively working, how they were helping government in development. So it was made regarding active functioning of state government. So it fosters cooperative federalism through structural support and policy guidance to the states on a continuous basis. So Niti Aayog, what it did, it just told regarding the active functioning of states, then it also helped in support regarding policies, structural support was there, and guidance of the policies for state government so that it will help in development of the country, children. So this was related to what? What is Niti Aayog? Think tank functions. So this all concentrated on economic growth and development, children. Now next point we will study in the next lecture.